Cranky? Are you hard at work or hardly working? Glad to hear it, matey. I'll see you later today.
You may be aware that the Fed controller assigned me a job, a special job that isn't very common at all. A very special, if you will. Well, you are now, ha ha ha. It's a brand new jet engine. It goes really fast like all jets do. Can you please hurry up? I don't have all day. Hey, just because you're cranky doesn't mean that you had to take out my special. Well, bust my buff.